Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
How to treat and prevent cough in babies. Newborn babies are prone to viral infections like cough and the common cold because their immune systems are not developed enough to fight viruses. A persistent cough in babies can lead to a painful throat, aches, and shivers. That is why they need appropriate treatment. Treatment for baby coughing. If your child is experiencing coughing fits too often, you can consider the following treatments. 1. Feed soups or hot liquids to relieve your baby from discomfort and irritation in the chest. 2. Keep a cool mist humidifier where your child rests so he inhales air with moisture. You can even let a warm shower run in a closed bathroom and sit in it with your child once the room is filled with steam for around 10 minutes. A child with a dry cough or croup cough may feel better after inhaling cool air. 3. Keep your windows open to let the child breathe in the cool and humid air. 4. Take your child on a drive with the car windows open. 5. Give cough medications after consulting a pediatrician. Make sure you consult your child's pediatrician for all the above options. Let's see what you can do to prevent cough in your little one. How to keep baby away from cough. 1. Make sure your child is covered up if the weather is cold. 2. Protect against infections with appropriate vaccines. 3. Ensure basic hygiene, like washing hands to protect from germs and viruses. These tips can go a long way in preventing your child's cough recurrence. However, if the cough persists or worsens, you must immediately take your baby to a pediatrician.